Right, hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daly. And on today's episode, we are going to be reviewing a €6 hedge unit from AliExpress, and we're going to fit it into the Mk2, see what it's like, and give a little bit of a review. And you'll notice, yes, I have new t-shirts, so I'm just trying them out at the minute, but soon they will be available to buy on eBay, along with baseball caps and stuff. But without further ado, let's get stuck into this. Right, as I said, I wanted to take a couple of seconds out to talk about merch. Anyone that doesn't want to watch this, fast forward. But I would like to talk to you about these. Now, 3 different mugs, 3 different channels, and we also have stickers and the likes of that. We have stickers here, and we have our own ones as well, which I can't fish out of the mug. And there we go. We have our own Mini Daly ones. So each time you purchase something like this of any YouTuber, you know, make a couple of quid and the money goes back into the channel. But it's a massive boost when somebody buys something off you, because you actually feel like you're going somewhere and you're doing something. So check out these mugs. There's the Mini Daly, Simpsons Classics, and Velma the Mini. So this is his new sticker, and we are going to stick that beside his old sticker up here. And just like that, it is done. So there's his new sticker and there's his old sticker. Massive, massive difference. Right, so what do we have here? So inside the box, we have one teeny tiny hedge unit, and it comes with adapters, and it comes with a remote control as well. It also comes with pins to lift out the radio. So we'll see how easy it is to install, see if we can get a station on it, and we'll go from there. Right, so the part you see me getting up to there when it was fast forwarded was we got the other radio out, and we tried to fit this one and there's no power, even though you've seen this the other radio come on when I took it out, when I was pulling it out and I pushed the faceplate on, the radio did come on. So there's 2 ways of testing it. So I'll just test here and get DC voltage up on that, and we should see it. I need about 10 hands to try and do this now. I'll get the power side done first. I'm just looking at this. I've got it going quickly. The red is the power. Black and red is the power. The switch power wouldn't work, so obviously I put the black and the red together going into this. I don't remember doing it, but that's what I did. So we should have, if I connect, where will I get an earth? Where will I get an earth? Try that. No, where to have the speakers. Excuse me. Getting earth off the ignition, will I? Now, there you go, there's your 12 volts. So that should work in theory. We'll do the thing that nobody does when we read the instruction manual. Right, see if we have power on this now. It should, in theory, power up. No, there we go. Now, what we'll do now is we will start getting the speakers over. I'll show you kind of how to do that. You'll see marked on most head units here. You'll have rear left, and front right and rear right. So they're separated into banks. So what you have is, I can find the block. I probably put it on the floor. Put it at it either. Now, I can see a downside to this radio as well, with the way the wiring is in this, is that this radio won't turn off. So we're going to have to come up with a way of getting a switched wire over from the ignition onto this. It's unusual that, like, usually one of those three wires would be switched, and my bet would have been the grey one, but it's not. I'm just going to try it one more time. This looks heavily edited, and it is. I lost that and it was down the side of the seat. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to test. Now, as I said, these are generally done in banks. So you'd have rear, front, rear. So you just have to check which side is which. It should be in this book, or it'll be there. So what we're looking for is front speaker is white. We're looking for the front right, which is grey and black striped, and grey. Right, you kind of seen how that was to fit. Jesus, that's 40 minutes. It's working. I've only one working speaker in the car, and the lighting is horrible, but it's in and it does. So I'm just going to check the Bluetooth and stuff like that. I can only use my phone to do it, but if you're looking for a €6 radio, it works. It does the job. As I said, hopefully the Bluetooth will work, but it seems to do what it wants to do. As I said, €6, can't go wrong. I'll put a link in the description of where I actually bought it, if anyone wants one. Right, everyone, what did you think on that €6 head unit? You can't go wrong. Now, good news for the channel is we're after purchasing a new phone, which will cure the low lighting situations. We're after getting an S20 Ultra, whatever that means. It's apparently supposed to be a good phone, and we have some new mics as well. So they're on the way, and hopefully that'll improve everything on the channel. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share amongst your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.